If you're gonna ask me if nabubudol din ba ako, the answer is yes. Pinili ko to with my own money. Here's the proof. Vice Cosmetics released this trio with this puff and then I went nuts. Meron na siyang bronzer, highlighter, and blush. So first, I'm going to use the blush in the shade Always Sweet. This is a smaller version ha. Sweet lang siya. So, ang ganda niya for everyday. Diba? And guys, 300 plus pesos lang, makukuha mo na yung tatlo. So, ano pa nga ba yung kailangan mo sa buhay mo? Next one is the bronzer in the shade Push. Gagamitin ko siya sa nose line ko. And then dito. Ay! Let's blend it using the puff. Diba? Look at that! And then sa nose line. Amazing! You know what? Since it's Vice Cosmetics, na-expect talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. And it did not disappoint. So let's use a highlighter here. Let's blend. Oh my gosh. Let's put a little bit at the center. And then here. And here. And then sa eyebrows. You know what? Perfect Christmas gift talaga to sa mga friends nyo, sa mother nyo, sister nyo. Kung sino mang babae na bibigyan nyo kasi ma-appreciate nyo talaga to. I'm gonna put the basket here para may ROI ako sa mga pinambibili ko talaga.